Wagwan YouTube, welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen where we cook with love and passion. Today I am going to be sharing with you my Jamaican fry fish with okra gravy. Okay my peeps, so here I have my snapper that I already cleaned and washed with some lemon juice. So as you can see, I'm just cutting some wedges in the side of the fish and I'm doing both sides. Okay, so we're gonna season our fish with some garlic salt and some black pepper. Yes, we are using about 1 teaspoon each. So go ahead and season your fish on the inside, outside, and also in the wedges that you placed on both sides. Alright, so here I have some oil in my pot. So I have this on medium high. You want to make sure that your oil is nice and hot. Then we're going to fry our fish. We're going to fry our fish on both sides until it's nice and golden and crispy. Okay, so now it's time to prepare our okra gravy. So here I have some carrots, some thyme, some tomatoes, my okras, green onion, my onion, and some lemon. Over here I also have a fish tea soup mix that I will be using just to make my gravy nice. I'm also going to be adding some garlic, some chopped garlic. Here I have my bell peppers that I will be using. So here's my chopped garlic and my green seasoning. I'll leave a link in the description for the green seasoning. Okay, so here I have about 1 tablespoon of butter. You want to melt your butter because we're going to stir fry our vegetables. After the butter is melted, we're just going to go ahead and add all of our vegetables and our seasoning to the butter and allow it to saute for 2 minutes. Okay, so we're just going to add some fish sauce just to give it that fish taste, yes. And then we're going to go ahead and add some ketchup as well, just to give it a little bit of sweetness. And tangy, we're also going to be adding some brown sugar. So we get the tang from the ketchup and from the lemon. Now we need a little bit of sweet, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our brown sugar, about half or 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It depends on you, it's optional as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some browning just to give my gravy a little bit of color. Okay, so what you want to do now, you want to pour your okra gravy all over your fish and leave it to soak in. You can enjoy this with rice and peas or some vegetables. Please hit that subscription button if you're new to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. Until next time, God bless you.